Welcome back to the channel Autoland 2025. Today we bring you an exciting and detailed look at the stunning Porsche 911 Street, a masterpiece that represents pure driving emotion, heritage, and the future of Porsche performance. This video takes you deep into the soul of the 2025 Porsche 911, a car created for those who appreciate precision engineering, lightweight construction, and the iconic feel of the classic 911 experience with modern innovation. The 911 stands out as a limited edition model crafted for enthusiasts who want the rawest form of Porsche's legendary flat-six power, combined with an incredibly engaging manual transmission that brings back the old-school thrill of driving. In this video, you will discover the heart of the 2025 Porsche 911, starting with its naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine that produces breathtaking power and an unforgettable sound. This engine is paired with a short ratio 6-speed manual gearbox, giving the car an extremely responsive acceleration feel and making every shift exciting. Porsche focused on lightweight design for the 911 Street, reducing unnecessary weight and enhancing agility. From the carbon fiber hood, fenders, and doors to the lightweight wheels and specialized aerodynamic design, every detail reflects Porsche's commitment to performance perfection. You will see how the engineers used motorsport-inspired components to create a car that feels alive on every corner and truly connected to the road. The Porsche 911 also features outstanding handling dynamics thanks to its advanced suspension tuning, rear-wheel steering, and carefully balanced chassis. In this video, you will learn how these elements work together to provide a driving experience that feels both natural and incredibly sharp. Whether on winding mountain roads or high-speed tracks, the 2025 911 delivers confidence, control, and pure excitement. Its braking system is upgraded with high-performance ceramic composite brakes that offer superb stopping power and fade resistance, ensuring safety even during aggressive driving. Inside the cabin, Porsche continues the theme of simplicity and performance. The interior is crafted with premium materials but maintains a driver-focused layout. Lightweight sports seats, classic design touches, and minimalistic controls combine to create a cockpit that feels timeless yet modern. The video will take you inside this beautiful interior, showing how Porsche blends luxury with racing inspiration. You will also get a closer look at the analog-style tachometer, the classic stitching, and the unique details exclusive to the 911 model. A major highlight of this video is a full visual tour of the exterior design. The 2025 Porsche 911 has a shape that honors Porsche's legacy while incorporating modern aerodynamic styling. In this video, you will see the sculpted lines, the aggressive front fascia, the widened rear stance, and the iconic round headlights. The lightweight body panels not only enhance performance but also make the car look bold, sleek, and truly unique. The special ST badging and exclusive color options further enhance the limited edition appeal of this masterpiece. This video also covers why the Porsche 911 is considered one of the purest and most desirable 911 models ever made. With limited production numbers, a heritage-inspired design, and unmatched driving dynamics, this car is a collector's dream. The 2025 Porsche 911 is a tribute to the original 1970s 911, combining emotional driving with today's cutting-edge engineering. You will learn why Porsche fans around the world are calling this one of the most beautiful and engaging cars of the decade. We will also discuss the price, performance comparisons, and how the 911 stands against other models in the 911 lineup. Whether you are a Porsche lover, a performance car enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates automotive craftsmanship, this video gives you everything you need to know in a clear and engaging way. Our goal is to help you understand why this model is so special and what makes it stand out in the modern performance car market. Stay with us throughout the video for cinematic shots, detailed explanations, engine sound clips, and an overall stunning showcase of the 2025 Porsche 911. This is a car built for passion, precision, and pure driving pleasure, and this video ensures you experience all of that from every angle. Thank you for watching Autoland 2025. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing car videos coming your way, and I see you next video.